and change all the audio files and the text accordingly. So first thing first, okay, intro audio 2 will become 1, narrator audio 2 become narrator audio 1. Now the title of the next reading passage will be note on the classroom door. So I copy and paste, and then okay, I paste the paragraph in, copy and paste. Then I change okay picture 2 to picture 1. That means I change okay this picture to this one. Audio file 2 to audio file 1. Question audio 2 to question audio 1. And for the questions, I can copy and paste it here. Now you can also change the preparation time and the response time. For example, I want to give my student 45 seconds to prepare. I put it here 45. Also, in order to save time, okay, for the reading, I want because this is just a demonstration, I want the reading time to be very short so I can test the other things. So I just put it here 15 seconds. That means the reading passage will appear for only 15 seconds. I save and then start the program again, see how things go. Okay, one thing I forget before we start, we test the application. Actually, I want to test Note B, but before I can get to Note B, I need to go through okay task A and task B, and each task here will take me okay 2 or 3 minutes. Now that's too long, and in this tutorial I want to save okay the recording time for my video, so I just cut okay the note and put it right at the top like this. Save everything again, and then I start the application. If everything goes well, I will see okay this note note on classroom door appear right at the first
Have a piece
questions.
of paper and pen ready to take notes. In this question, you will read a short passage about a campus situation and then listen to a talk on the same topic. You will then answer a question using information from both the reading passage and the talk. After you hear the question, you will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. A note has been posted on the door of Professor Allen's classroom. Read the note posted on the door of the classroom. You will have 45 seconds to read the note. Begin reading now.
Okay, so you see only 15 seconds for the reading. This is the change in the time attribute here.
Now listen to two students as they discuss the note.
Hey, Matt, did you see the note on the classroom door?
Which note? Which classroom door?
I guess you didn't see it, huh?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. There's a note on a door?
Yeah, there's a note on Professor Allen's classroom door. He's sick, and he won't be here for the rest of the week.
I'm sorry he's sick, but at least we'll get a little break while he's gone.
I wish we were getting a break, but, well, we're not.
What do you mean? If Professor Allen's not here, then we'll get a break from class, won't we?
We'll get a break from class, but we won't get a break from work. The note gives us instructions to do some work. A lot of work while the professor's gone.
What are we supposed to do?
We have 3 chapters to read.
3 chapters? That's a lot.
Oh, but that's not all.
What else is there?
We have to write 1 essay for each of the 3 chapters.
We have to write 3 essays?
Yes, and have them ready to turn in on Monday.
That's a lot of work.
It is, but that's still not quite all.
It's not?
No, we also have to be prepared for a quiz on Monday.
A quiz, too? We're not getting any kind of break at all. In fact, this is a lot more work than we'd have if the professor weren't sick.
Now, similarly, I can customize task type C to suit my own need. Now, if I want to create another task node, I will do the same. I select the whole task node, copy, and put it right at the top. Now, this is a tutorial video, so I put the note here just to save the testing time, because I want the program to jump in right away and start playing task time C. Right, I save and restart the application, see how things work.
Have a piece of paper and pen
Now, you
ready
see,
to take notes.
we have
You will
just
now listen to part
added
of the
one more
lecture.
question, so
You will then be asked to summarize important
total number of
information from
questions
the lecture.
is now 7.
After you hear the question, you will have 20 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Now listen to part of a talk about techniques for convincing people to do things.
Right,
Two
so you see
techniques
here,
that people use to convince
I
others to
have
comply
successfully
or go along with what they
added
want.
one more task type node, C. Now, in order to complete the task, I need to convert the introduction audio file back to its original file. So I delete the bit sound, rename this to speaking intro, and test it the final time. See if it works.
In this section of the test, you will be able to
Okay.
demonstrate your ability to
It's
speak.
working. So you see, creating your own TOEFL speaking test is similar to the other parts. All you need to do is to copy and paste the text in the right places. The only thing you need to pay attention is that you need to be careful with all the names, the extensions of the file, because just little things go wrong may make the XML file unable to work properly. Well, that's all for this tutorial. I hope it's not so hard and you can create your own speaking text for the TOEFL IBT easily. See you again soon.